Today is March 31st, 2025, and this is today's watch list for SPY. If you guys can't tell by my voice, I'm extremely sick, or I'm getting over a sickness, so please forgive me for not making a watch list video for Friday, I believe, if I didn't make any. And I didn't make any review video for that day either, or the weekends, because I've just been fighting the sickness this whole week. But in terms of news for today, we don't have anything dropping for right now. We do have PMI and job openings tomorrow at 9:45 and 10 o'clock. OPEC pretty much on Thursday. Employment changed on Wednesday. And then Powell speaking with unemployment rates on Friday. Other from that, that is the news that we have for this week. Let's get into levels. Originally, what I was looking for was puts below this 564 level. We ended up getting this move on Friday, so I did end up getting a piece of this on my funded account. On my cash account, I didn't take any because I didn't have I didn't have my other computer with me. So last thing I want to do is pretty much juggle between two different apps. So I just stuck with one app and I just kept trading with it. I ended up taking a win, a loss, and then another win. I was up 300, then I was down 300, then I ended up about 150 on that trade. So not really satisfied with my performance, but that was the overall trade. On today's watch list, what I'm going to be looking for is a possibility of a bounce at this 549 level. Other from that, I don't really have any other levels besides way below. This area is a 1 hour support at this 550, 549 area. So I am going to try some calls to kind of give back some of the overnight selling to kind of push up a little bit higher towards at least the previous day close. I think that would be a perfect area to kind of to pretty much exit out at, just in case if we end up making a higher high and lower high and then continue moving lower down to this 539 area. I'm not really watching for any puts currently. If I do want to see us come back up to this 564 area to kind of reject it, to then continue moving lower. And then, like I said, a bounce off this 550 level to kind of give back the overnight selling back into the 550 level, 555 level of the previous day close, which I think would be a perfect place to exit. Other from that, that is the watch list that I have for today. When you do trade one pair, it's not easy at all, especially when you see other traders. They make a lot of different, digits in terms of profits, and truth be told is that they trade more contracts than I do, and they also trade more pairs than I do. I've been trading SPY for probably maybe about 2-3 years now, but it's not probably till this year that I'm actually stop being on my bullshit and trading. But other from that, that is my watch list for today. I hope you guys have a great trading day and a great trading session. Let me know what you guys are watching for in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Also, just a quick PSA. I'm also going to be possibly opening up a Discord. I would love to open up a free community to people to come and meet each other, even possibility of, creating friendships, new relationships between each other, even for myself, because I struggle to meet people in real life. But other from that, I will be working on that. I will have something in terms of update throughout the week, and from there, I'll let you guys know when it is ready to be listed. Other than that, I hope you guys have a great trading day, and I will see you guys on my next video.